Hey traders, Parker here with another indicator. Today I'll be introducing you my combination of the Parabolic SAR indicator and the price channel indicator. If you're unfamiliar with the Parabolic SAR, the SAR, SAR in the Parabolic SAR means stop and reverse. So the dots right here are the Parabolic SAR indicator. Anytime the dots are below price, it gives you a long signal. Anytime the dots are above price, it gives you a short signal. The price channel indicator gives you the highest high and the lowest low. It was price on average for average number of bars. So you can see right here, for the last 12 bars, this was the highest high until this came in and broke that and created a new high. So I combine these two indicators together to give you a new trading system. So if I were to go ahead and remove these and put the actual modified version now created on, this is what it looks like. So you can see how I modified the price channel. I actually gave you a midpoint as well. I added the cloud feature between the Parabolic SAR and the price channel as well. And you can see instead of just those floating dots, I actually connect them together to give you a chain of dots. So for appearance sake, so you can see right here the dots will change color as well for acceleration. So it's a price acceleration will give you bright green or bright red on the Parabolic SAR, or you'll just get the dark green for your long signals or this dark red for your short signals. I don't see any bright red. Here we go. There's some bright red right here to give you a short signal. But for the most part, the price channel of these two compared almost gives you a support and resistance system as well. You can see right here when this short-term trend changed according to the bar SAR, you can see right here, here would be your entry point of $5.12. You could have got in on this stock got in on here in this candle right here, and it would have broke above, and you could have rolled it out until you broke below this lower SAR here. And you can almost look at it like this. The SAR actually being a trailing stop for your trailing stop. So those are some of the key features for the indicator on the screen. And if you would have got a short signal, it would have went to the closing price to give you a possible entry to take it short. But with things being so close to this lowest low on average for these 12 bars, I probably wouldn't have taken it short. Excuse me. And then you had another long signal right here at 666. Is that 666? It is. Well, that's kind of ominous. But for the most part, that these are some of the features right there. And you see you got long acceleration as well. So you'll get these labels say long and then acceleration, or short and acceleration as well. And you can see the CGC is accelerating up. Some of the other features of the indicator, when we dig into it, here's your lower band, your upper band. This channel average right here goes according to your channel average, and this is the modified version, so SAR type. The modified version using the closing price and not the high and low. So when you normally use the Parabolic SAR, it uses the high and lows to actually check for trend change, and you can see that's what it is. But the modified version that I created, if you so choose to have the modified version, you can have it just for your closing price to check for trend change, or the original, or the body of the candle to show for trend change. So you can show the clouds, you can not show the clouds. You can change any of the colors that I've chosen. You can change any of those. Here's your entry short, entry long. Your up signal is just that green arrow right here, or your down signal. You can see acceleration bull. Those are the bright green dots are below the lows on price. Acceleration down would be the bright red on the high of the price. So here's your scan. So scan long, scan short, scan long acceleration, scan short acceleration. So we can go into the actual scan now. I already have it preloaded, but all you're gonna do, that's the ATR. All you would do is go to here, and you will actually choose this indicator right here, and you can go to scan long. You will go to any of the scans: scan long, scan short, acceleration, scan short acceleration. I have it shown within 2 bars, so it actually showed me yesterday's scans as well. So I have it on long scan, and these are the ones that it brought up. So we'll look at NVIDIA real quick. So we'll go to the daily time frame and go look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA. So we're looking at NVIDIA. Here's our long signal right here. There's your breakout signal. The long signal is this green arrow. Here's your red arrow for a breakdown signal or short signal. So we can go back into the scanner. We're gonna look for scan long acceleration. We'll look for acceleration, something that's pushing up within the bars with the indicator. So we'll look at let's see, BBY, and I'm looking at it on daily time frame. And you can see it says long acceleration. You can see the long dots. I mean the bright green dot right there. Your bright green dot at the bottom. So that's going to be your scan. You can go in there. You can change this stuff. My parameters were $10, a million volume, 1% change. ATR, at least a stock moves with $1.50 within 20 days. So those are the scanning capabilities. So that's the actual indicator. There is a premium version of this indicator, and we'll go back to CGC. So the premium version of the indicator, so I'm gonna get rid of this version right here. We're gonna put on the premium version. It has a risk reward system built into it. So if you're familiar with my last video where I had the ThinkorSwim risk management tool, I actually put a lot of that in here as well. So if you would have taken this entry, it would have, I think I have it set at $1,000. It would have, you would have bought 150 shares, and I have it 2%. So 2% stop loss, your targets as well. So you can go in there, you can modify all of those. Here's your labels, your 150 shares, your cost basis, how much is actually going to cost you to take that trade. So you can go in there. It has everything is basically the same except for if you choose to go, except for your investment amount. You can go in there and change all of those different things. Show the labels and not show the labels. Show the lines. Show the clouds. You can change all that stuff right there. Has the same scanning features as well. It just has in there whether you want to go long or short, and it gives you your risk reward ratios within there. So the other thing, that if you choose to go with this indicator, you'll actually get this multi-time frame indicator as well. So it's telling you what are the ZARs, what's going on with the ZAR within these other time frames. So you have a 5-minute long acceleration. There's your bright green dot right there. You can see your 15 minutes long is positives, giving you long signal, hour long signal. These are giving you long signals for those different time frames. It goes all the way up to a month, but a month will only show up on a daily chart. So you can see CGC has all these things working out for it to give you greater confidence but to actually get into the trade or not. So one of the other, you always want to pair this with another indicator. One of the ones that I like to pair it with is the unbalanced volume indicator. This is my modified version of the unbalanced volume indicator. I actually put the ZAR in here as well to give you another indicator to pair with to see if it would be a good trade, whether long or short. The unbalanced volume indicator is it can be considered a non-lagging indicator, but I put in there an average as well. This purple line represents the average of the indicator, and it works with the price as is. So it'll be a non-lagging indicator, and it's telling you what's going on within the volume and the bars. The triangles just represents if it's above 2 deviations, and you'll see it whether it be low or high. But these dots right here just represents your ZAR for this indicator. It doesn't represent the closing price or the high price for the price up here. It represents for the actual indicator. So you'll be able to go in there and modify those same things. You'll get the same labels. You get the ZARs. You get the long and short signals, long and short acceleration. So you'll get those features right there. And if the percent change, if you want to look at things from percent change as well. So those are the other two indicators as well. And also, if you get the premium version, you'll get this watch list column as well. So that's everything that's with this indicator. So you have two different versions, or you can get the premium version that comes with the bundle, or you can get the actual indicator by itself. But that's generally everything that I have to say about the indicator. If you're unfamiliar with the ZAR indicator, Investopedia has a good blog about it, or good information about what the Parabolic SAR and what it means. But this is gonna be the end of the video. I appreciate you guys taking the time out to listen to what I had to say. I hope it was informative and entertaining. But you want the indicator, look in the link in the description, and you can grab whichever version of the indicator that you would like. I wish you the best. Stay safe out there. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and God bless.